a crazy one, huh? An incoming flight from Bari, Italia. Will land soon. It's a few minutes late. Incoming flight from Athens, Greece. Incoming TUI flight. Skiathos Airport is a great place for plane spotting because you are close to the runway, and there is a bar also just next to the plane spotting area, so you can have some lunch, you can have drinks, soft drinks, beers, whatever you want while you wait for the takeoff or the landings. I had a beer to cool myself, and now waiting for the next arrival. A lot of people have given up, a lot of plane spotters, because it's a hot day, as you can see. There are not many people here. Coming. got wet. It's a takeoff right now. Let's have a look at the takeoff.
Oh, it was crazy.
We are late to this one. Coming here. The last one for today, and this one was Boeing TUI going to London. So now back to the last beer, and then we need to cool ourselves with some ice cream. We're about to leave, but look at this surprise Skiathos Airport gives us. Another plane taking off. So of course we're gonna look when it takes off. British Airways got some juice in their engines, for sure.